Before we start, if you would like to have a sneak peek at the list, check out the description below. Today we are going to share the best 5 bottle warmers to help you through those early newborn days. Let's start with the number 5 product, the First Year's Quick Serve Bottle Warmer. The compact, simple serve bottle warmer can heat bottles quickly, including straight, angled, wide-necked, and even disposables. The measuring vials help you anticipate warming duration, and this bottle warmer features an auto shutoff for added safety. It can also be used to warm a jar of baby food or sanitize up to 2 pacifiers in the included basket. We are all about multitasking. The Baby Brezza Safe and Smart Bottle Warmer secures the 4th position on our list today. The Baby Brezza Smart Bottle Warmer features 2 warming options: steady for breast milk or fast for formula. It's safe for breast milk because the steady mode uses water to warm it to body temperature in just minutes, which preserves essential nutrients. The quick mode uses steam to safely heat formula or milk quickly. It comes with a free Bluetooth compatible app that lets you control the warmer from your smartphone and alerts you when your bottle is warm and ready. The number 3 product on the list is the Boon or Bottle Warmer. This sphere-shaped bottle warmer is out of this world. It steams, heats bottles, and baby food efficiently and effectively. The warming chamber fits most bottle types and includes a basket for baby food jars, a graduated tube for measuring water to be steamed, and an integrated auto-off feature once heating is complete. Now, nobody will be able to tell if that's a bottle warmer or an alien starship, and that's just the way we like it. Steam heats bottles and baby food safely and evenly. The second best product on our list is Dr. Brown's Bottle Warmer. Dr. Brown's Deluxe Bottle Warmer fits all Dr. Brown's baby bottles and food jars. Refillable water chamber warms several bottles before needing refilling. The LCD control panel is easy to read and operate. It has an audible alarm with flashing LCD when warming cycle is complete. The one-button start function warms bottles quickly. There is a cycle memory to repeat preferred heating time, and it is easy to adjust heating time if needed for different size bottles. And the number 1 product on the list today, our best one, is the Kindy Cozy Bottle Warmer and Breast Milk Warmer. The Kindy Cozy allows parents to safely and quickly warm breast milk, formula, and food in storage bags, bottles, or jars of all shapes, sizes, and materials. Patent-pending safe heat technology allows high-speed warming using a low-temperature, nutrient-safe water bath that is safe for breast milk, with a built-in timer to eliminate the risk of overheating. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments with us. If you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day!